Energy drinks actually are a fairly new beverage that's available to consumers. They were originally on the market in about 1997, and they usually contain caffeine. Compared to a cup of coffee, they can be multiple times higher. So they've seen irritability, anxiety, cardiovascular effects. You can have tremors, and then when you stop consuming caffeine, you can go through withdrawal. And they were marketed originally as kind of an alternative to coffee or just another option for an energy drink. And more recently, they've been marketing these energy drinks to adolescents instead of adults. So studies have shown that over a quarter of college students do mix caffeinated drinks with alcohol. And the concern is that it amplifies the effect of the alcohol. In most energy drinks, there's some form of sugar, and that's where they really start appealing to the adolescents. So they're starting to make some products that have no sugar, but the ones with sugar added are the ones they're really marketing to the teens, and that's a huge concern for obesity, which is what we study here at the University of Maryland. We've known for a long time that sugar-sweetened beverage intake increases your risk for obesity, and so adding a new type of sugar-sweetened beverage to the market that's heavily sought out by adolescents it increases our concern that this is going to increase the rate of obesity. The other thing has to do with sleep. So there's a relationship that's been established between shortened sleep duration and obesity. And when adolescents consume vast amounts of caffeine, they don't sleep as well or as long, and that can also increase risk for obesity. So there are kind of two different ways that this can happen. There are a lot of ways that public policy can positively affect health through food regulation and food policy regulation. And so this is a prime area where the government could intervene with labeling laws, funding more research to investigate some of these additives to energy drinks to determine what the detrimental or positive effects these different supplements might have on an individual, especially a child, because a lot of the research that's done is done on adults. And so because these are being marketed to teens are drinking them in huge numbers, then really focusing research on how these different things can affect child health is important.